Hey everyone, welcome back to Veggie Life. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make fruit jelly custard. The first step is to make the jelly. I've taken Weikfield jelly crystals in raspberry flavor and emptied its contents into a bowl. Next, I've taken a vessel and added about 1 cup of water to it. We shall boil the water away and allow it to come to room temperature for about a minute. In another cup, I have taken just enough water to soak about 1 tablespoon of Sabja or Basil seeds. The boiled water has been sitting in the room temperature for about a minute. Now we can go ahead and add it to the raspberry crystals. Now take a whisk and whisk around the jelly crystals so that they all dissolve into the water. Once done, take the sabja seeds that we had soaked earlier and pour them into the raspberry jelly. Stir around for even distribution of sabja seeds into the jelly. Allow it to set for about 4 to 5 minutes in room temperature. Then transfer the jelly into the refrigerator to allow it to set completely. Now for the next step, I am going to be making the custard. So here I have taken a vessel and put it on the stove on a medium flame. I have poured in about half a litre of cow milk into it, and here I have taken Weikfield custard powder in vanilla flavour. In a cup, I have separately taken about 3/4 of cold milk and added 3 tablespoons of custard powder in it and stirred it along. Add the diluted custard powder into the milk and allow it to come to a boil. Make sure that you keep stirring the custard so that the custard does not catch at the bottom and start to get burnt. Set the flame at medium heat. Go ahead and add about 1 cup of white sugar to the custard and keep stirring to help it dissolve. Meanwhile, I have taken some fruits here, an apple and a banana. Peel the apple and the bananas and slice them into desired shape. I also had some pomegranate around, so I used the seeds to add into the fruit mixture. You can use the choicest of your fruits to add them into the fruit custard. So my custard is ready. I have switched off the flame and I have transferred the custard bowl into a bigger bowl of water so that it comes down to room temperature. I've gone ahead and added the fruits into the custard and allowing it to come down to room temperature first. Then we shall transfer the fruit custard into the raspberry crystal bowl along with some sabja seeds on the top as a garnish. With the help of a spoon, stir around to make even distribution of the sabja seeds into the custard. Refrigerate the custard for it to set completely. Meanwhile, I have taken the mango flavored Weikfield jelly crystals onto a plate. I am going to repeat the same steps as earlier to make the jelly. Once the jelly is set to a proper shape, I take a knife and slice through it in square shapes across the plate, and then I take a spoon and scoop out all the jelly crystals from it. Now all you got to do is take the mango jelly and top it onto the custard that you had left in the refrigerator to chill. And lo and behold, your fruit and jelly custard is ready to be served. Do try making this easy recipe and let me know how you like it. Until then, like, share and subscribe at Veggie Life. Bye!